So friends, welcome back to our channel LearnWidGiggs. In today's video, I will discuss with you one interesting scenario based question based on totals, as you would have seen the same from the title. And this question can be easily asked in the data analyst or the Power BI interviews. So let us see the scenario with its solution. Okay, and before that, if you are new to the channel, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the coming videos. Okay, alright, as you can see on the screen, we have a category name column and the corresponding total orders in the respective categories. For example, in accessories we have 16,000 total orders, for bikes 13,000, for clothing 6,000 total orders, and this total orders is nothing but a simple measure, okay, which is just the distinct count of sales order number. Okay, so sales is a table name and order number is a column, and it is just counting the distinct count of the total orders in these particular categories. But as you can see on the screen, there is one more row, that is total. So if you will show the value of total on this visual, it comes out to be 25,164. But if you will count in actual, this is 16,000 plus 13,000 plus 6,000. It is something 35,000 plus something value. So the total value in actual is something different from what we are getting on this visual, that is 25,000. So since the end user wants to see the totals also in this visual, so the interviewer will say that how will you fix this? How will you fix this situation so that you are able to see the total values correct in the totals row? Okay, so for that what you will do? Okay, so for that we have to make one measure here. Okay, and that measure we will see now how we can create that. Okay, so I will go to the sales fact table here that I am considering here, and I will create a new measure here. So since for all the records except the totals it is showing us the correct results, and for the totals row it is not showing the correct results, so we will make use of if statement here first. Okay, so I will first name it as correct total orders equal to, so I will make use of if statement here first. Okay, so under if I will make use of has one value. Okay, has one value function here. What does has one value function returns? It returns true when there is only one value in the specified column. Okay, so which column we are considering here? We are considering the category name column here. Okay, so category name, so that is there in the product category table. So I will choose the category name column here. I will close the bracket for has one value. Okay, so it will return true when it will find the value of category in a particular row, otherwise it will return false. Okay, so that's why we have made use of has one value function here. So whenever it finds the value, give me the total orders. Okay, so the total orders measures is already there, so I will just reuse it. So total orders measure is here. Else, so here comes the real trick on the false part. So whenever it does not finds the value, what it will do? So for the totals row, it doesn't finds any category name value, right? So in that condition, what it has to do? So in that condition also it has to give me the totals orders value. So for that I will make use of iterator function here, which will go to that particular row, that is the totals row, and calculate me the sum of total orders. So for that I will make use of here SUMX function. So comma SUMX function. So SUMX function, the first value is the table, so the table will be product category table. Okay, so product categories table will be the first argument, and the second argument is the expression. So expression will be what? It will be again the total orders that we have already created. Okay, so this is my total orders. When I will close the bracket for SUMX and close the bracket for if, what you will see here? So if has one value results true, it will directly give me the total orders. If it returns false, which will be the case of totals row, it will introduce a SUMX function here. SUMX function is an iterator function which I have used here in this measure, and it will go to that particular row, that is the totals row, and calculate me the total orders. Now let us see the results and verify if it is correct or not. Now let me bring this correct total orders on this table visual and let us see the results. And now as you can see here, the total value is coming correct. It is 37,888. Now let us also verify this using calculator if the result is coming correct or not. So 16,983. So 16,983 plus 13929 plus 6976. If I go equal to, so 37,888. So this is what is our final result, and this is what we are getting on this measure. So I hope it is clear to you now, and if it is asked in the interviews, you will be able to answer it in front of the interviewer. So that's it for this video. If you like the content, then do hit the like button and share the video to all your friends and colleagues whoever are in need of this. Okay, so stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Thank you.